Yes, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm this side of industrial area, and today I just wanna I felt like grabbing this Ugandan street food, the famous Ugandan street food that you all know, which is called a Rolex. Okay, so come with me as I go grab it. You see right there, that's where I'm gonna grab it. That's the vendor. So let me go, get myself one. Okay, so keep watching. Yeah, this is the place. So he's adding eggs. Enyanyo jagisalira kungulu. He's going to I'm now on my way back home. I wanted to eat it from that same point, but they didn't have where to sit, so I decided to just go back home and I'll test it from there. Okay, yep, so let's go. Look at these monkeys.
Be very careful, eh?
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, here we go. Now this Rolex, in order to taste, pretty good, you're gonna need to have a soda. To be more specific, this Fanta, you know, it goes pretty good with this Rolex, okay? So it really brings out the taste if you take the Rolex and the Fanta, you know, this type of soda. So it's time for us to try this Rolex, okay? I'm gonna test it and tell you how it tastes, okay? Wow. Let me, you know, take another bite. Look, this is a Rolex. The chapati is soft and fresh. You know, we do have fresh tomatoes. They didn't fry them in eggs. They just put them on top after frying the eggs, okay? No. Yep. So, I mean, it depends on how you want it to be made. But for me, I gave orders, okay, that they should put the tomatoes separately. They shouldn't, you know, fry them in eggs, okay? Yep. It's delicious, to be more specific. In Espanol, they say se ve deliciosa, okay? Yep, so if you ever come to Uganda, endeavor to buy yourself a Rolex. This is the Ugandan street food, the famous Ugandan street food that I always talk about. And I remember I talked about it in one of my videos. Y'all remember? I mean, for those who've been following me, this is what I was talking about, the famous Ugandan street food, Rolex. And it's less than $1, okay? Because I paid 2,000 UG shillings. That's less than $1, okay? Yep. So make sure you buy this Rolex when you come to Uganda. It's perfect, okay? It's gonna bring out your experience pretty well. Yep. Let me add more. Oh my goodness. And the more you bite it, the more it gets sweeter. Yep. That's it. So, and also, like I said, you have to take a soda as you know, eat your Rolex, okay? This is what I'm talking about. Very cold. Wow, this is the best taste ever, okay? Yup. Y'all remember I once made a video about this. So this is what I've been talking about. The Ugandan street food. Rolex, the famous one. When you come to visit Uganda, make sure you buy yourself a Rolex, okay? It's really delicious and, you know, you don't want to miss it, okay? Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Ciao.